Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. As the Christmas season surrounds us with warmth, light, and wonder, take a moment to breathe in the magic of this time. Tonight we affirm abundance in all forms: love, peace, prosperity, and joy. So find a comfortable space, relax your shoulders, and let your heart open to the blessings waiting for you. I invite you, if you feel comfortable, to close your eyes and just listen to my voice. I will be going off screen so as not to distract anyone who wishes to keep their eyes open. If this is you, feel free to gently stare at the images on your screen. You can repeat these affirmations aloud, whisper them, or allow them to gently wash over you and sink into your cells. Let them become your truth. So take a deep breath in and out. Let's begin. I welcome the magic of Christmas into my life and allow it to bring abundance in beautiful ways. Like twinkling lights, prosperity shines brightly all around me. This Christmas season wraps me in blessings, comfort, and financial peace. I receive abundance as easily as snowflakes gently fall to the ground. My heart glows with joy, gratitude, and the spirit of giving and receiving. The Christmas star guides new opportunities straight to me. I am surrounded by warmth, love, and holiday abundance. As I sip the sweetness of this season, abundance flows to me freely. I release all stress and fill my spirit with the peace of a silent winter night. Money flows to me generously, like gifts placed lovingly beneath the tree. I open my arms to receive miracles, blessings, and joyful surprises this Christmas. My home is filled with abundance, laughter, and the sparkle of the holiday spirit. The season of giving reminds me I am worthy of receiving abundance too. I attract opportunities that glisten with promise and prosperity. With every Christmas candle I light, I invite clarity, peace, and abundance. I trust the universe, just as children trust the magic of Christmas. I am aligned with the joyful, generous, and abundant energy of the holidays. I am grateful for the blessings wrapped around me like a cozy winter blanket. The magic of Christmas opens doors to unlimited possibilities. I celebrate this season knowing abundance is already on its way to me. Thank you for joining me. Remember to repeat these affirmations often to strengthen your mindset and welcome more abundance into your life. If this video brings you comfort, clarity, or joy, please like, subscribe, and share to spread the holiday magic. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.